हेलो दोस्तों, पार्लियामेंट पासेस VVG Ramji bill to replace Manarega, one rural job guarantee after midnight debate. The parliament recently passed the bill of changing name of Narega to VB Ramji विकसित भारत गारंटी फॉर रोजगार एंड आजीविका मिशन ग्रामीण VB Ramji Bill 2025 replacing the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 Manarega. VVG Ramji Bill will passed in Lok Sabha yesterday afternoon amidst strong opposition. It was tabled in the Rajya Sabha on the same day and was passed in the midnight. Opposition protested against the bill, saying that is was undermining the objective of Manarega to guarantee job for the rural and poor. What is the new bill? The Manarega guarantees 100 days while VV Ramji will guarantee 125 days of employment. Payment under Manarega, the payments were made within 15 days, but under VV Ramji the payments will be weekly. If payments are not made within a maximum of 15 days, the worker is entitled to receive compensation at the rate of 0.05 of the unpaid wages per day of the delay beyond 16 days. 60 days no work period. 60 days of no work period shall be notified by the state government in advance, where no work shall commence, so that there is no shortage of labor during the peak sowing and harvesting season. The state government may issue different notification for the 16 days for different areas of the state based on agroclimatic zone, local patterns of agriculture activities. Allocation of work. The central government will now determine state-wise normative allocation of work funding for each financial year based on objective parameters. For any expenditure incurred by state in excess of normative allocation, the state government will bond the expense. Under the Manarega labor budget, were prepared by the district program coordinator every December, containing anticipated demand for unskilled manual work in each district. The plan for engagement of laborers in work covered under the scheme. Again, the term implementation of the act. Under the Manarega, the principal authorities for the planning and implementation of the scheme, where the panchayats at the district level, their function was to finalize and approve the block-wise shelf of project. Now there are national level steering and state level steering committees. Here the differences of Manarega and VV Ramji. In Manarega, 100 days of demand-based employment, and VV Ramji 125 days of employment. Payments 115 days. Payments weekly in VV Ramji. Side 60 days of no work during the peak sowing harvesting period to be notified by the state government to overcome adequate availability of agriculture labor. In Manarega, 100% financial assistance by the center state contributed 1/4 to the material cost and cost state incurred administrative expenses. And VV Ramji center state UT Union Territories 60-40 ratios. Center hilly and northeast 90-10 ratio. UTs without legislature 100% the center. In Manarega, labor budget prepared by the state every December containing anticipated demand. And VV Ramji central government will determine state-wide normative allocation of work. That's the difference of Manarega and VV Ramji. Here the parliament passed the Manarega, converted the name VV Ramji. That's the full name is Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin. Thank you for watching.